Hello adventurers, welcome back to another TMR Tours. Ryan here for TMR's Choice Breakfast at Magic Kingdom. So if you're going in early, here are Magic Kingdom breakfasts. And if you enjoy this, hit that subscribe button and ring that bell for notifications. So first up here at Magic Kingdom, we're going to head towards Fantasyland over to Gastons Tavern. Now, one of the things here that is great for breakfast is the warm cinnamon roll. One thing to note about it, it is a snack credit on the dining plan, and it is bigger than your face. So with just a snack credit, you can share it amongst the whole group. It is delicious, it is cinnamony, it is warm, and you should get that extra icing cup too as a nice little bonus. Of course, you can get this any time of day, but it is extra good in the morning for breakfast, especially if you're in the Fantasyland area. Great photo opportunities with the throne and Gaston pictures, so check it out, Gastons Tavern here in Fantasyland. Next on the list is Sleepy Hollow Refreshments over in Liberty Square. Now the hot thing here is the fresh fruit inside of the waffle. So it's basically a sandwich filled with fruit, but also has some chocolate hazelnut spread. It is very good, very savory, and sweet all at the same time. Now it is not on the dining plan as a snack credit, but you can get the funnel cake and some other options at this location on the dining plan. The fresh fruit though is what we usually go for. It is a bit lower calorie, and again, in the morning it is not a huge breakfast that's really gonna weigh you down. One thing to note is there is minimal seating, so keep an eye out for an open table. So if you're heading to Liberty Square in the morning, we highly recommend Sleepy Hollow Refreshments. Last on our list of TMR's Choice Breakfast at Magic Kingdom is Be Our Guest Restaurant, which is actually a sit-down and you need reservations, but it's also a counter service. So for breakfast and lunch, they do counter service reservations and ordering, but it is a sit-down dinner. It is all friendly on the dining plan, but it is 2 credits for sit-down dinner. We got the Croque Madame. It was extremely good, and the one thing to note about breakfast here is you get a pastry platter for the table. It really makes it worth the extra price of coming to Be Our Guest for breakfast. Another side note for budget travelers, this is the only location in Magic Kingdom where you can refill your own beverages. So if you're sharing beverages, another great fact on why Be Our Guest is a great place to check out for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. That's going to wrap up TMR's Choice Breakfast at Magic Kingdom. If you enjoyed it and want more vacation tips, check out our playlist Walt Disney World for more vacation planning. Stop by our other social media platforms and say hello, and join our group Disney Parks People over on Facebook.
Thanks for joining us on this TMR tour.
Subscribe for more vacation tips.
Feel free to leave comments below with the things that you want to learn more about.
For more Disney facts and our blog, check out TMR Tours over on Facebook. See you on another adventure from around the world. Congaloosh!